Now we have the melodies arranged, we have the drums arranged. It's time for us to arrange the music on the playlist. And today we'll be arranging just 1 minute of music on our playlist. So we are starting the music with the kick, and our intro shouldn't be more than 8 bars. We could do 4 bars, we could do 8 bars. From here we are moving to the intro to the first verse, but now I want to do something. I just don't want it to sound like this. I want it to have different tone to it. So what do? We send the chord to our mixer. This is our chord here. I want to place a filter on it. Another thing we can do is automation. You see all of these controls on this plugin, we can actually automate it, and I'll show you that today. Let's do 8 bars for the verses. How do you automate? Let me show you. Automation is automatically controlling a specific control in your FL Studio. You can automate anything. You can automate your pan, you can automate your volume, you can automate any plugin, you can automate any control on the FL. And if you want to automate, what you do is tweak the resonance a bit, just don't do too much. Then you come to add, you come to automation for last tweaked parameter. It will bring up your automation control here. Now let's automate it. And I can do this virtually on any plugin, anything I can tweak in FL Studio, I can automate it. Let's hear what is being automated. This automation, I don't want it on every part of the music. I want to bypass it. I want it to come in and go out. What do? I automate it too. All I have to do is tweak the bypass, then I come to add automation for the last tweak parameter, and it will bring it to me. My last tweak parameter was the mute and solo button. Let's see how that sounds. Woo. Okay. Now you see it has gone away. The automation has cleared it away. Now it is muted in this part of the song. This is our verse 1 and it is muted. You see, this is our automation control. You can extend it to the end of the music, and you are able to tweak and automate at any point you want in your music. Let's listen to it and listen to how it plays. Now, one thing I want to add to this is adding groove to your music. We could use 808 to add bass line to your music, a bass guitar, and we could use a sub bass. So right now we have been able to arrange our music, add sub 2 bass line to the music, and now what next?